Today, I'll show you how to add a video in a PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro. First, open Adobe Acrobat Pro on your computer. Make sure you are using the latest version of Acrobat Pro because Adobe's newer layout uses the All Tools panel on the left side. Now open the PDF file where you want to insert the video. Once the PDF is open, select All Tools from the upper left area of Acrobat. In the Tools panel, choose View More, then look for Add Rich Media. Adobe's 2026 Help Guide lists video, sound, and 3D media under this Rich Media tool. Click Add Rich Media, then choose the Video tool. Now go to the page where you want the video to appear. Click and drag on the PDF page to draw the area where the video player should be placed. After you release your mouse, Acrobat will open the Insert window. Click Choose and select the video file from your computer. Adobe supports common video formats such as MP4, MOV, M4V, 3GP, and 3G2 when they use supported video compression like H.264. After selecting your video, click Open, then check the available settings. You may be able to choose how the video plays, what poster image appears, and whether the video is embedded or linked, depending on your Acrobat version and file settings. For most users, keeping the video embedded in the PDF is easier because the video travels with the file. But remember, adding video can make the PDF file much larger. After confirming the settings, click OK. The video area should now appear on the PDF page. Use your mouse to move it, resize it, or place it exactly where you want. Now test the video. Switch to the Hand tool or Selection tool, then click the video area. If Acrobat asks you to trust or enable multimedia content, only allow it if this is your own file or a file you trust. Adobe notes that multimedia playback may require enabling trusted multimedia content in Acrobat settings. After testing, save the PDF, click File, then Save As, and create a new copy so your original PDF stays unchanged. Finally, open the saved PDF again and test the video one more time. Also remember that video playback may work best in Adobe Acrobat or Acrobat Reader. Some browser PDF viewers may not play embedded videos correctly. So, to keep it simple, open your PDF, go to All Tools, choose Add Rich Media, select Video, draw the video area, choose your video file, confirm the settings, test it, and save the PDF. And that's how you add a video in a PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.